Hey everyone, 2025 Oscar the second-class Belgorod K 329 submarine is unlike any other naval vessel that has ever existed, representing the pinnacle of Russian engineering and military ingenuity. Its story is one of sheer audacity and precision, a symbol of a naval force that aims to dominate the depths and redefine the nature of submarine warfare. The Belgorod is an anomaly within the traditional submarine classification structure. Although it belongs to the Oscar the second class, a class that was developed in the final years of the Cold War, it has been extensively modified and rebuilt from the ground up to carry out a role that goes far beyond the attack or cruise missile missions for which its predecessors were designed. The Belgorod is a unique vessel that operates as a carrier of the Poseidon nuclear-armed autonomous torpedoes, a weapon that itself is poised to reshape the nature of global naval warfare. Laid down at the Sevmash shipyard in Severodvinsk, the Belgorod started life as a modified Oscar the second-class design. It was stretched and refitted for a new purpose and launched with a length of roughly 184 meters, making it one of the longest submarines in the world. Its beam of approximately 18.2 meters and a displacement of roughly 30,000 tons when submerged give it an unmistakable presence in the ocean. Yet this submarine, for all its monstrous dimensions, operates with a grace that belies its size, relying on highly sophisticated acoustics, hydrodynamic design, and sound-damping technologies. The Oscar the second class was already considered a formidable design when first introduced, with its double-hull construction providing both resilience and stealth. The Belgorod takes these principles and refines them, making it an underwater titan, capable of long-duration missions and deep-sea operations that few vessels can match. The Belgorod is powered by two OK-650V pressurized water reactors, yielding approximately 190 megawatts of thermal energy. These reactors drive two steam turbines connected to shafts that enable the submarine to travel at a top speed of roughly 32 knots when submerged. Its range is effectively unlimited due to its nuclear propulsion, allowing it to operate for months underwater, hidden from detection as it roams the oceans. Its crew of roughly 118 sailors operates in a highly automated environment, where much of the routine work is assisted by advanced computer systems and AI-enhanced sensor arrays. Despite its enormous size and complex design, the Belgorod operates with precision, making it an incredibly difficult target for NATO anti-submarine forces. What truly sets the Belgorod apart is its role as the carrier for the Poseidon unmanned underwater vehicles. The Poseidon is a strategic weapon that is reshaping the nature of naval deterrence. It is not merely a torpedo, nor is it a traditional submarine-launched weapon. It is an autonomous underwater drone, powered by a miniature nuclear reactor, and capable of crossing oceans at depths that put it beyond the reach of traditional detection methods. The Poseidon can carry a multi-megaton thermonuclear warhead and is designed to neutralize naval bases and coastal cities with a tsunami-like wave upon detonation. The Belgorod can carry up to 6 Poseidon units, making it a terror of the deep and a pivotal piece in Russia's naval arsenal. While the sheer destructive potential of the Poseidon weapon has captured global attention, the Belgorod itself is more than just a launch platform for this doomsday device. Its design allows it to operate as a mothership for deep-sea exploration and special operations. The submarine can carry smaller special mission submarines such as the AS-12 Lashkarik, a deep-diving nuclear submersible designed for espionage, underwater cable tapping, and seabed reconnaissance. This ability to operate across such a wide range of mission profiles gives the Belgorod an unprecedented role within the Russian Navy. It can carry out reconnaissance, clandestine insertion of special forces, recovery and deployment of underwater sensor arrays, and long-endurance patrols in contested waters. The Belgorod sensor suite is among the most sophisticated in the world, featuring a range of sonar arrays that enable it to operate effectively in both shallow and deep waters. Its bow-mounted sonar provides long-range detection capabilities, while its flank arrays and towed sonar allow it to track targets with precision across the ocean. The submarine is also outfitted with advanced electronic surveillance equipment, making it an ideal platform for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. Its ability to operate deep in the ocean for extended periods gives it access to undersea cables, allowing it to potentially tap or disrupt global communication lines. This dual role as both a strategic weapons platform and a special mission vessel makes the Belgorod one of the most significant naval assets in service today. The construction and launch of the Belgorod came at a pivotal moment for the Russian Navy. As NATO and other naval powers continue to develop new anti-submarine warfare platforms and technologies, Russia has responded by introducing a submarine that operates beyond traditional paradigms. The Belgorod is designed to operate in the harsh conditions of the Arctic, where ice cover and remote waters provide the perfect environment for stealth and long-duration missions. Its reinforced hull allows it to operate under ice, making it ideal for covert deployments in areas that other vessels can't reach. The ability to operate in these environments gives Russia a significant strategic advantage in a world where access to the Arctic is increasingly contested. The Belgorod also serves as a test bed for new technologies that will define the future of naval warfare. Its reactors, propulsion systems,